Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the area info in Dying Like the Beast. So at first press the O button on your keyboard to open the settings or click here, and then switch to the HUD option, and as the second option you will see area info. You can switch it off or on, depends of your of course preferences. And the area info is disabled, displayed below the compass when entering areas. It includes the name, suggested level, and a warning if Kai's level is below the suggested level. So all of these informations are very helpful during a gameplay, so make sure that you want to switch it off or on. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!